Welcome to Alternative Notions, your new source for exploring unconventional paths to wellness. Today, we'll dive deep into 78 incredible benefits of Moringa, nature's incredible powerhouse. If you're ready to transform your health naturally, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Antioxidant power. Number 1, Moringa is a powerhouse of antioxidants, making it an incredible defender against cell damage. These antioxidants help keep your body's cells healthy and vibrant. Anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2, Moringa contains anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders in reducing inflammation throughout your body, helping you feel your best. Immune booster. At number 3, Moringa is like a superhero for your immune system. It's packed with nutrients that help boost your overall health and immune defenses. Brain health. Number 4, Moringa supports brain health and cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused. Digestive health. Coming in at number 5, Moringa improves digestion and aids in better bowel movements. Blood sugar regulation. Number 6, Moringa helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is fantastic news for those looking to manage their glucose levels. Heart health. At number 7, Moringa lowers cholesterol and promotes heart health. A happy heart means a happy life. Energy boost. Number 8, Moringa enhances energy levels and reduces fatigue, giving you the stamina you need to conquer your day. Healthy skin. Number 9, Moringa is not just for your insides, it's also amazing for your outsides. It promotes healthy skin and reduces signs of aging. Hair health. Number 10, Moringa supports hair growth and strengthens hair follicles. Say hello to luscious locks. Weight management. Number 11, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, Moringa can be your ally. It helps in weight management by boosting metabolism. Eye health. Number 12, Moringa supports healthy vision and eye health. Your eyes will thank you. Nutrient powerhouse. Number 13, Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, providing your body with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Anti-cancer properties. Number 14, emerging research suggests that Moringa may contain anti-cancer properties, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Detoxification. Number 15, Moringa aids in detoxification and cleansing of the body, helping you feel refreshed and revitalized. Liver support. Number 16, it's a friend to your liver, supporting its healthy function and detoxification processes. Better sleep. Number 17, Moringa improves sleep quality and reduces insomnia, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for the day. Joint pain relief. At number 18, Moringa can reduce joint pain and inflammation associated with arthritis, improving your mobility. Anemia prevention. Number 19, Moringa helps in the prevention and treatment of anemia by providing essential iron and nutrients. Pregnancy and lactation. Number 20, Moringa supports a healthy pregnancy and lactation, ensuring both mom and baby get the nutrition they need. Bone health. Number 21, it promotes strong bones and improves bone density, reducing the risk of fractures. Asthma prevention. Number 22, Moringa may reduce the risk of developing asthma symptoms, supporting healthy lung function. Kidney health. Number 23, it supports kidney health and helps prevent kidney stones, keeping your urinary system in top shape. Allergy management. Number 24, Moringa can help manage and reduce symptoms of allergies, providing relief during allergy seasons. Mood enhancement. Number 25, it boosts your mood and reduces symptoms of depression, helping you maintain a positive outlook on life. Enhanced libido. Number 26, Moringa is known to enhance sexual function and libido, promoting a healthy love life. Thyroid support. At number 27, it supports a healthy thyroid function, aiding in the regulation of your metabolism. Cardiovascular health. Number 28, Moringa reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, keeping your heart strong and steady. Muscle recovery. Number 29, Moringa aids in muscle recovery and reduces post-workout soreness, perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Blood circulation. Number 30, it supports healthy blood circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach all parts of your body. Asthma management. Number 31, Moringa helps in managing and reducing symptoms of asthma, making it a valuable addition to the routine of those with respiratory issues. Wound healing. Number 32, Moringa enhances wound healing and reduces scarring, helping your body recover faster. Nervous system support. Number 33, it supports a healthy nervous system, ensuring efficient communication between your body and brain. Collagen production. At number 34, Moringa boosts the production of collagen, promoting skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. Gastric ulcer prevention. Number 35, it reduces the risk of developing gastric ulcers, keeping your stomach lining healthy. Anti-parasitic effects. Number 36, Moringa has shown potential in combating certain types of parasites, particularly in traditional medicine practices. Some research suggests that Moringa extracts may help inhibit the growth of certain parasitic organisms in the body, which could be beneficial for individuals in regions where parasitic infections are prevalent. Anti-stress adaptogen. Number 37, Moringa is considered an adaptogen, which means it may help the body adapt to and cope with stress. It can have a balancing effect on the body's stress response, potentially reducing the physical and mental effects of stress. Incorporating Moringa powder into your diet may contribute to improved stress resilience and overall well-being. Anti-acne properties. Number 38, Moringa powder contains compounds with natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically as a face mask or in skincare products, Moringa powder may help reduce acne breakouts by combating the bacteria that contribute to acne formation and soothing inflammation in the skin. It can be a natural addition to a skincare routine for those struggling with acne-prone skin. Natural deodorant. Number 39, when used as a topical paste, Moringa powder can act as a natural deodorant due to its antimicrobial properties. It may help control body odor and provide a natural alternative to commercial deodorants. Hormone balance. At number 40, Moringa supports healthy hormone production and balance, benefiting both men and women. Diabetes management. Number 41, it helps in managing and reducing symptoms of diabetes, regulating blood sugar levels. Memory and cognitive function. Number 42, Moringa boosts memory and cognitive function, helping you stay sharp as a tack. Skin protection from UV radiation. 43, Moringa contains antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin E, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by harmful UV radiation. Incorporating Moringa into your diet may provide additional natural protection against sun-related skin damage. Assistance with hangovers. Number 44, Moringa's high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can support the body in recovering from a hangover. It may help alleviate symptoms like headaches and nausea. Migraine management. Number 45, it helps in managing and reducing symptoms of migraines, providing relief for those affected. Hair and nail health. Number 46, Moringa promotes healthy hair and nail growth, ensuring your locks and nails are strong and beautiful. Neurodegenerative disease prevention. Number 47, it reduces the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, supporting your brain's long-term health. Bladder and urinary health. Number 48, It supports a healthy bladder and urinary system, reducing the risk of infections. Enhanced digestive enzymes. Number 49. Moringa contains digestive enzymes like amylase, lipase, and protease, which can aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Consuming moringa powder may support better digestion and nutrient absorption. Natural detoxification. Detoxification of heavy metals. Number 50. Moringa has been studied for its potential to bind to heavy metals and toxins in the body, facilitating their removal. This detoxification effect may be beneficial for individuals exposed to heavy metals through water or environmental factors. Gastrointestinal health. Number 51. It reduces the risk of developing gastrointestinal disorders, ensuring your digestive tract is in top shape. Anti-acidity properties. Moringa may have alkalizing properties that can help reduce excessive acidity in the stomach. This can be particularly useful for individuals dealing with acid reflux or heartburn. Fibromyalgia management. Number 53. It helps in managing and reducing symptoms of fibromyalgia, providing relief for those with this condition. Oral health. Number 54. It promotes healthy gum and oral health, keeping your smile radiant. Osteoporosis prevention. Number 55. It reduces the risk of developing osteoporosis, ensuring strong and healthy bones. Gallbladder function. Number 56. Moringa supports healthy gallbladder function, aiding in digestion. Rheumatoid arthritis relief. Number 57. It helps in managing and reducing symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, offering relief to those affected. Overall vitality. At number 58, Moringa boosts overall vitality and well-being, helping you lead a healthier and happier life. Skin disorder prevention. Number 59. It reduces the risk of developing skin disorders, keeping your skin clear and radiant. Blood pressure regulation. Number 60. Moringa supports healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension. Chronic fatigue syndrome management. Number 61. It helps in managing and reducing symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome, boosting your energy. Protection against radiation. Number 62. Some studies suggest that moringa leaves may have radioprotective properties, helping to mitigate the harmful effects of ionizing radiation exposure. This is especially relevant for individuals who work in radiation-prone environments. Prostate health. Number 63. It supports a healthy prostate gland, benefiting men's health. Reduced risk of hearing loss. Number 64. Some studies suggest that moringa's antioxidant content may help protect the inner ear from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of age-related hearing loss. Eczema management. Number 65. It helps in managing and reducing symptoms of eczema, providing relief for those with this skin condition. Muscle strength and endurance. Number 66. Moringa enhances muscle strength and endurance, perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Lymphatic health. Number 67. It supports a healthy lymphatic system, ensuring proper immune function. Macular degeneration prevention. Number 68. It reduces the risk of developing macular degeneration, protecting your eyesight. Psoriasis management. Number 69. It helps in managing and reducing symptoms of psoriasis, providing relief for those affected. Healthy fat digestion. Number 70. It promotes healthy digestion of fats, ensuring efficient nutrient absorption. Adrenal gland support. Number 71. Moringa supports healthy adrenal gland function, helping your body adapt to stress. Liver fibrosis prevention. Number 72. It reduces the risk of developing liver fibrosis, ensuring your liver remains healthy. Chronic sinusitis management. Number 73. It helps in managing and reducing symptoms of chronic sinusitis, providing relief to those affected. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, support. Number 74. Moringa powder may help individuals with IBS by offering potential relief from inflammation, aiding digestion, and supporting gut health with its high nutritional and fiber content. Hemorrhoid relief. Number 75. Moringa may provide some relief for individuals with hemorrhoids due to its potential benefits such as anti-inflammatory properties, improved digestion, and the presence of dietary fiber. Balanced blood pH, alkalizing. Number 76. Incorporating moringa into your diet may have an alkalizing effect on your body, primarily due to its mineral content, such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are alkaline in nature. These minerals can help buffer excess acidity in your system. Additionally, moringa's dietary fiber and anti-inflammatory properties may indirectly contribute to a more alkaline environment by promoting smoother digestion and reducing inflammation-related acidity. Varicose vein prevention. Number 77. Moringa reduces the risk of developing varicose veins, ensuring healthy blood circulation. PMS. Finally, number 78, moringa, rich in vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory properties, can potentially alleviate PMS symptoms by stabilizing mood, reducing cramps, and combating fatigue. Its diuretic effect may also help with bloating and water retention. So there you have it, a whopping list of 78 amazing benefits for why you should incorporate moringa into your life. This extraordinary plant truly lives up to its title as the Tree of Life, and is one of nature's most precious gifts, offering a multitude of benefits for your health and well-being. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the numerous advantages of moringa, give us a big thumbs up. For more on natural health and wellness, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Share your thoughts on moringa's benefits in the comments below. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about this amazing herb. Stay healthy, stay enlightened, and stay tuned for more on alternative notions.